Hi, my name is Michelle Dale. I'm the founder of Virtual Miss Friday. I'm the creator of One Sourcing, and I really believe in productive working environments. So, especially when you work online, you work from home or you work from cafes, bars, digital nomad style, then I think it's really, really important to think about where you're working because it has such a huge impact on productivity and creativity. So, this is what I want to share with you in this video today. I've got a little something to reveal about my personal working spaces, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. So I've got to admit, I am really super blessed. You could say I kind of live my dream life. I have a beautiful home on the Red Sea in Egypt. It's got 5 bedrooms and a pool. But because of my rather large family, you think that a 5-bedroom house would be big enough, but space has often been an issue for me. So whenever we have rooms, they're often dedicated to the kids first, and mine range from babies through to teenagers. So some need their own space, others have a lot of stuff. There's a lot going on in the house. So since moving to Egypt, I did have a dedicated office and a co-working space, which I left during COVID. Then I started to work more exclusively from home because, we had lockdown and everything like that. So having a space in the living room was what I did basically, and it wasn't ideal as it was quite a heavy traffic area with all the kids and their friends and things going on and people running around. So once the baby came, it was even harder during calls, as it was all an open plan living room. So you can imagine if a baby is in the room, you're going to hear that baby. Obviously somebody was looking after the baby, but you're still going to hear them. So it was often like a juggling act between, okay, where are we going to go and how are we going to do this just to do calls. So then I saw something online about a Cloffice. You essentially take a closet or a small cupboard, like a room in your home, and you turn it into a space that you can work from, which I thought was absolute genius. So I've done it and I'm excited to share it with you. So to all you busy mums with lots of kids running around the house and pets, because my dog also loved to bark sometimes during calls, which is very frustrating for me. So I would say definitely try it if you've got a lot of things distracting you in your workspace. So I have a really cool dedicated space that's just for me, which is so rare. I've put a fan in there so when it gets hot I can keep cool in my Cloffice, which is my closet office. I have my dedicated desktop computer with all my gadgets around, things I use to make videos and Bluetooth speaker and all those types of things, my microphones. Of course, I have my doTERRA USB diffuser so I can diffuse oils that keep me feeling uplifted and productive. And if you would like one of these and some tips on what you can put inside your doTERRA diffuser, then let me know and I will be able to kind of like share with you some tips and tricks to keep you on the ball, to keep you, high energy, productive, ready for work, all that good stuff. I have things in here which are meaningful to me, such as paintings that my mum has done, my cards, my photo albums, bits and bobs, all things that I used to kind of like tuck away in cupboards before. I'm able to put them on shelves now and have them, with me. It's really my space. It's so exciting. I've already noticed the productivity levels increase in me, and this may not be for everyone, working out of a closet, but I've always been a huge fan of maximizing small spaces, since forever. I absolutely adore and love tiny homes. I'm in groups, I follow them. I love camper vans and converting those into living spaces, or really carefully organized studio apartments and things like that. So this busy mum now has a tiny Cloffice space to call her own, and I'm so super delighted. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I shall see you on the next video.